Good morning, everybody. Let's get started on our calendar today. So the first thing we need to do is 2 fingers and 2 hands. Are you ready? Let's sing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Thank you all for joining me. Let's look at our calendar over here. We have, yesterday was Wednesday, very good. So that means today is what? If yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Very good, everybody. So it's yesterday, or today is Thursday. Now let's look at our number. Yesterday we had the number 27. A 2 and a 7 together make the number 27. So now I'm going to have to write a new number in our box for today. What number comes next? We can start counting at 1, or we could even start counting at 20. Let's start counting at 20 today. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I heard you guys. 28. Very good. A 2 and an 8 put together is 28. Now let's look at the color we're going to fill in for our pattern today. Yesterday we did pink, and when we say we did pink, we have to go all the way back to the beginning of our pattern. So what is the first color in our pattern? Is the first color in our pattern green? No. We just did pink, so we're not going to use pink again. We're going to use the color yellow. Yellow. Very good. Let's say the date now, my friend. Today is Thursday, May 28, 2020. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Thank you for joining me. Let's quickly talk about what is our plan for today. We are going to do the same thing we did yesterday where we go around our house and we look for objects that begin with those letters. So G, A, O, and B. Okay? And you're also going to write your first and your last name today. I want to see a picture of it. I want to see how good you guys are getting. Today for math, we are going to practice counting to 30. Whether you need to use objects or just straight counting through without any objects, practice counting to 30 today. If your child is having trouble counting to 30, count to 20 today. Today for Science and Social Studies, we have a video on community helpers and how important it is for them and how essential they are. We have a lot of essential workers in our families from McCormick, and then we just want to say thank you. You guys are really, really strong right now, so thank you for all the work you're doing. For recess today, Miss Sarah has given you guys instructions, so you're going to touch your toes. They're going to take hands up, go touch your toes, count to 10. Then you're going to reach for the sky, count to 10. You're going to do that 3 times. So that was 1. You're going to touch your toes again, count to 10. Reach for the sky, count to 10. Touch your toes again, count to 10, and when you're done, raise your arms all the way up and count to 10. Social emotional, we are sticking with sharing an activity or a snack together. We're really focusing on sharing. Right now, obviously, it's difficult to have social interaction with our peers. So really focusing on that sharing aspect and talking about why it's important to share with your child. If your child is having trouble with their first and last name, focus on that first name, but maybe start doing one letter a day. So maybe the first initial of the last name. If they're having trouble counting consistently to 25, focus on the 10 for a little bit, and then focus on counting to 20 together. Don't forget that today we have Miss and Sarah coming for Global Music at 10:50. I'll see you guys then.